Hi everyone, on this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down a video on a Davinci Resolve. So if you want to have like a time lapse effect or a slow down or a slow moving or slow mo effect on the video that you are doing in a Davinci Resolve, here's how you can do it. So first you need to select a video and put it onto your timeline. And then once the video is in your timeline, select the video and then go to inspector, and on the inspector section, go to video tab and then scroll down. You will see this option, which is speed change. All you need to do is just click on the speed change, and then here all you need to do is just drag the slider from left to right or right to left to change the speed of your video. For example, I'm gonna drag this slider to um, the left. Okay, let's see what happened to our video. Let's play the video. See that the video is now in slow motion. Okay, so if I'm going to slide this slider on the right side, see what will happen to the video. There you go. The video is much faster than before. And that's how you speed up and slow down a video on the pictures.